Guys, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a collab. I was invited by Heidi Lyndsey, and I know that she's doing this collab and hosting it with Lyndsey from Doma Home. There'll be a link to both their channels below, as well as a link to the playlist with everyone taking part. That's how it always goes. So the challenge was to do something DIY flower for spring, something with flowers. So this is what I made. Now take a look on how I did it.
So here is what you'll need. I picked up these love sort of Scrabble letters from Poundland for £1. I got 2 sets and I'm going to use 5 pieces, but you could use coasters, you know, that are made of that kind of wood MDF, or you can actually use MDF as You're also going to need some paint. I was going to use chalk paint, but it actually, in the end, I decided to use spray paint, and that's fine as well. You're going to need some flower arrangement foam. You can see that big brick, brown brick just there. And you're also going to need a glue gun or some sort of very strong glue. And finally, just some flowers. I picked up some from Poundland, but also some from Home Bargains, and that's what I've used. So all you need to do is glue the sides of these little wooden blocks together to make a cube, but without a top, obviously, as I'm going to show you here. And I decided to put the letters on the inside, so I have to use less paint to try and cover them, because obviously they are black. And you just glue them all together. Wait a few minutes to make sure it's all glued nicely, and then spray paint it, or paint it with chalk paint if you prefer. I actually ended up doing 2 coats of this. Once it's done, you cut your foam to fit into the cube. It might take a few goes, but it's so easy. Like that. And now all you need to do is cut your flowers to measures. In the end, I decided to use the ones from Home Bargains instead of the ones I picked up from Poundland, but they were very reasonable. I got 2 bouquets in there for $1.69 each, and I like the full look, so I just played around until I was happy. And here it is on my desk. I absolutely love it, and it just freshens up the space.
So what did you guys think? I really like it, and it looks lovely and fresh and springy on my desk. So thank you so much to Lyndsey and Heidi for hosting this collab. If you're new and if you've come over from one of the other channels, hey, if you like videos about home, I'm your girl. I do cleaning videos, DIY, organizing, cooking, etc. So please go ahead and press the subscribe button and give me a like if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.